Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to give you a review of this hidden Airtag bicycle reflector. I'm going to show you what to expect inside the box, and then I'm also going to install it and show you what it looks like on the bike itself. So let's take a look over here. We have the reflector. Awesome. Let's go ahead and peel this off and see what it looks like. And so it does come attached directly here, and you can just attach this right to your bike. All right, here's the hardware that it comes with. Let's go ahead and take a look and see if some of these wrenches will open this reflector. So go ahead and open this. All right, once you've removed the two screws, you can just pop this off. And you got your little AirTag here. We got the little emoji there. And then we're gonna place it right in. There you go, nice and sealed and concealed. You just go ahead and put the screws back on, and then we're gonna mount it to the bike. All right, so this is how it looks like fully installed. Now this is adjustable. You do have to loosen it up to move this down or up. So I like that it's nice and tight. It also comes with a number of rubber kind of stoppers so that you can get a nice grip. So this is the thinner one because I do have a kind of a thicker kind of a seat bar, and it does come with additional screws and other mounting gear depending on the type of setup you have. Now I normally probably put it up here, but since I do have this bag, it is kind of in the way. But hope you all found this helpful, and this will hopefully give you a little bit more peace of mind now that you can track your bike. Have a good one.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.